Welcome to Doony Kids.
Hello. Today we will learn about animals and their home. This is rabbit. R A B B I T. Rabbit. Rabbit lives in a burrow. B U R R O W. Burrow. This is tiger. T I G E R. Tiger. Tiger lives in a lair. L A I R. Lair. This is horse. H O R S E. Horse. Horse lives in a stable. S T A B L E. Stable. This is lion. L I O N. Lion. Lion lives in a den. D E N. Den. This is dog. D O G. Dog. Dog lives in a kennel. K E N N E L. Kennel. This is ant. A N T. Ant. Ant lives in an anthill. A N T H I L L. Anthill. This is bat. B A T. Bat. Bat lives in a roost. R O O S T. Roost. This is cat. C A T. Cat. Cat lives in a cattery. C A T T E R Y. Cattery. This is bird. B I R D. Bird. Bird lives in a nest. N E S T. Nest. This is bee. B E E. Bee. Bee lives in a beehive. B E E H I V E. Beehive. This is monkey. M O N K E Y. Monkey. Monkey lives in a tree. T R E E. Tree. This is goat. G O A T. Goat. Goat lives in a pen. P E N. Pen. This is frog. F R O G. Frog. Frog lives in a ranarium. R A N A-R-I-U-M, ranarium. This is chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Or hen, H-E-N, hen. Chicken lives in a coop, C-O-O-P, coop. This is spider, S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. Spider lives in a cobweb, C-O-B-W-E-B, cobweb. This is pig, P-I-G, pig. Pig lives in a sty, S-T-Y, sty. Please like our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.